Hey everybody, today I'm going to review on a Thomas the Tank Engine playset. This is one of the Bondi Tech Gold Rail playsets. It's not the Bondi Tech version, it's a United States version, and I'm going to show you which playset it is once I get it open. I probably am going to need a scissor for this one. All right, there we go. That's better. Let's see here. Inside here. If I can get this open. Get to the bottom of the box here. Let's see. Taking me a little bit. Should be in good shape here. I have a lot of stuff here that needs to be cut though. I have a lot of excess tape. Alright, I got it open up from both sides now. So we have, all right, we have the Ffarquhar playset right here. Now I'm going to show the box first. This is an old, early 90s playset. It's one, like I said, the Gold Rail items. From Gold Rail. And let me get it open. So all the pieces are intact here. I'm not really sure if I'm actually going to open this or build this. I don't really know. Might want to leave it new in the box. I'm not really sure. It's, you know, I might not want to get this playset set up. Sure what I want to do here. There is an instruction manual in here. And we have this right here. The instructions. So I'm not sure if I want to just leave it sealed or if I want to actually build this. So I'm probably going to leave off the video here. And if I come back and want to build it, I'll make a part 2 of this video. This is just simply the unboxing. But I do hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.